I have completed the upgrades. The continuous feed chamber is done. It is ready, and we are ready to make the world's first ever recycling.
I swear I am not coming for Julian Brown, aka Nature Jab on like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you can find him. But I also want to give some of you in the comments a little bit of context as to what he's doing, why he's doing, and why he doesn't really need to worry about people coming to get him. Everybody wants to be so conspiratorial in the comments, like, oh, protect this man, he's gonna disappear. So what Julian is doing is creating fuel from plastic. Plastic is made from petroleum, and, you know, as you might guess, if plastic can be made from petroleum and gas is made from petroleum, certainly we could create gas from plastic. And his philosophy is that we have all of this waste. We should be able to do something with it to, you know, be good to the earth, I assume is the ethos here, and totally respectable. You'll also find people in the comments saying that this process is not new. He didn't invent this process. The difference in what he's doing is he's trying to make it renewable with using solar power to power this giant gasoline making machine. And really, this is great stuff. This is great entertainment. He is such a good marketer of what he does. And we will always need inventors and people that are willing to dive into weird research projects to create just cool shit. But in terms of how much it will change the world, it's probably not gonna. Guys, he's making combustible fuel from renewable energy. Sure, we need to find interesting ways to use plastics and recycle plastics, but recycling plastics in a way that creates more carbon in the air is not the way, regardless of how clean it burns. He also claims that it burns cleaner than normal fuel, which I don't know, he's probably right about, but it's still gonna put emissions into the air. And it's still a less efficient way to power things than just using solar and batteries and powering your car with a battery or using battery powered lawn tools. Like, that stuff is adequately powerful now. Just use the electric. Fossil fuels, even if they originated from being a fossil fuel to being a thing that contained your water, to then being converted back into a fuel again, it's not gonna happen. Like, at least at a large scale. Solar, batteries, nuclear, when people decide to actually put nuclear in, that's the way forward. Anyway, absolutely go check his videos out. It's fun. It's fun.